Hi friends, today let's solve questions related to industrial electronics in 2017 AP ESET question paper. Now an SCR combines the features of basically SCR has rectifying feature of a diode and on off control feature of a transistor. Now these SCRs are generally used in power switching applications, and generally in the off state the device will be restricting current flow to leakage current. So if you observe rectification along with transistor action. Now a triac will have how many semiconductor layers? So generally if you observe the circuit symbol of a triac, it will be something like this: gate. So it will be having PN interface. So you will be having 4 layers of semiconductor. Okay, next, what is a chopper? So this is a standard question asked in many number of times. Chopper is a device which converts a fixed DC input value to a variable DC output voltage directly. Essentially, a chopper is an electronic switch which is used to interrupt one signal under other control. So see, it converts a constant DC voltage to a variable voltage directly. So what is your fixed DC? It will be something looking like this, fixed DC. Whereas variable DC will be like a pulse waveform. Variable DC. Next, which uses, what is a timer which controls the number of cycles for which the welding current flows and the number of cycles which is disallowed. So generally pulsation timer is used because this timer is used to generate pulses of specific duration. So if the timer bit is on, then the timer is running and it will be off during the other times. So these timers are not used because only pulses are to be generated. Next, what is the method of having leading power factor? Basically, you have to know what is dielectric heating, because it is an electronic heating mechanism in which you use radio frequency heating and high frequency heating. So what is this? This is a process of in which a radio frequency alternating electric field or a radio wave or a microwave heats a dielectric material. So this, if you observe the definition itself, so when an AC voltage is applied across the capacitor plates, the current does not lead the supply voltage by exactly 90 degrees. Therefore, the power factor will be leading in case of dielectric heating. So this concept is very, very important. So with this, the questions related to 2017 industrial electronics are completed. So friends, let's solve questions related to industrial electronics in 2018 AP ESET question paper. So a thermocouple is what type of transducer? What is a thermocouple? It is a sensor which is used to measure temperature. Now thermocouple will consist of legs of different material, and these wire legs are welded together to one end, creating a junction. So this junction is where the temperature is measured. So when a junction experiences a change in temperature, voltage is created. I'll show you how exactly this thermocouple will look. So this is the PDF which I have created. If you want this PDF, it is available in the web link provided in the YouTube description. So observe, this is the junction which I am telling. So the junction experiences a change in temperature in the voltage is created. Now what is the question? If you observe the question, so this concept is based on the voltage generated, not on resistance, inductance or voltage division. Next, a LED, light emitting diode, causes emission of light due to, so if you observe, LED is basically a semiconductor diode that produces light of more than one or more wavelengths. So the combination of electron and hole can spontaneously produce a photon at a designated wavelength or a different type of wavelength. So for what is photon? A photon is a quantum of electromagnetic radiation or a particle which transmits light. So if you observe the options, generation of electromagnetic radiation is the correct answer. Next, once SCR starts conducting a forward current, its gate loses control over. So if you see, once a thyristor has turned on and is passing current in the forward direction, which means anode is positive, then the gate signal loses the control due to regenerative latching action of two internal transistors. So the application of any gate signal or pulses after the regeneration initiated will have no effect at all, but the thyristor is conducting fully on. So if you see this anode circuit voltage, so SCR starts conducting and it loses control over the anode circuit voltage and the current. Now this is a very important question. An inverter is a circuit. So inverter is basically a circuit that converts the DC electricity from sources such as batteries or fuel cells to AC electricity. So the electricity can be any required voltage in any, and in particular it can operate at AC equipment designed in the mains operation. So if you see the options, it converts DC electrical power to AC power. So we use it in our regular homes. Cycloconverters require, remember, in case of a step-up cycloconverter, forced commutation are needed to turn off SCRs at a desired frequency. So if you see, forced commutation is required in step-up cycloconverters. So with this, all the questions related to 2018 are completed related to this particular industrial electronics topic.